So, okay, Stuart Haas winless, Kevin Harvick going to Kansas, where he has been really good, especially in the spring the last 5 years.
Yeah, and I say this, Kevin Harvick's not having a bad season. He's having a great, I would love to have had this season.
I'd take his season.
I'd still be in the series if I had this season. But for Kevin Harvick's standards, he hasn't won. Stuart Haas Racing hasn't won. And we look here at the last 5 years in the spring race at Kansas, 3 seconds, a third, and a win.
Wow.
So this is a place that Kevin Harvick has a great feeling around, has always been fast at. And with Gibbs winning 7 out of 11 races, Stuart Haas Racing needs to go out there and do something to start getting some wins. And I just feel like this is a great opportunity. I'm not going to say it's his best opportunity because every weekend Kevin Harvick's good anywhere. But this is one of those racetracks that Kevin Harvick has been so good at that maybe he can break out of that and finally get a win this year.
And to add on to that, to kind of show how good his season really is, or at least the speed they have in those cars, he's ranked second in speed right now of race cars, putting aside the plate races, behind the 18 car of Kyle Busch. So they have the speed. We know this is a good season for them. It's just not up to their standards, as you said, of knowing that he can go out there and dominate race after race after race. So I think this is a similar situation that we've seen out of this race team in the past, which is they just need to put the whole race together. And a lot of times, even when they put the race together, there's just that one car that's a little faster. So I think when it comes their way, when they're finally the fastest car of that weekend and they execute the race appropriately, he will get in victory lane. And then this discussion of, will they be winless? No, they won't be winless anymore. And we'll continue to see the numbers that they put up because at the end of the day, they are a top 3 race car in the series right now.
Yeah, setting the bar high, not always good, except in limbo.
Hey, Motorsports fans, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe before you go for all the latest news and highlights across motorsports.